Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. There hasn't been a threat to the Marvel Universe like this since Thanos had the Infinity Stones. The novel coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, has affected numerous industries worldwide, from travel to dining. The film and TV industry is no exception. While the world retreat indoors, Hollywood studios like Disney have shut down ongoing productions and are delaying releases to varying degrees. Not even the Marvel Cinematic Universe, with its many upcoming movies and Disney Plus shows, is safe, with movies delayed all the way into 2022. Black Widow. New release date November 6, 2020. Set after the events of 2016's Captain America Civil War and before 2018's Avengers Infinity War, Scarlett Johansson returns to her role of Natasha Romanoff, also known as the Black Widow, and is now on the run. Without her Avengers allies to back her up, Natasha reunites with her old friends and comforts an old enemy. Those behind the Red Room, the top-secret Russian spy program that trained her into a living weapon. Johnson's solo superhero movie wrapped productions months ago and have been in post-production. Originally scheduled to be released on May 1, the film was delayed to November 6, taking the release date previously reserved for The Eternals. The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. New release date is still unknown, and the original release date was of August 2020. Set after 2019's Avengers Endgame, the first Marvel series to premiere on Disney Plus will feature Anthony Mackie and Sebastian Stan return as their Marvel superheroes, the Falcon and the Winter Soldier respectively, in a 6-episode miniseries that will see Sam take up the shield of his friend Captain America. The show was first Marvel Studios production to react to the coronavirus pandemic. On March 10, a shoot scheduled to take place in Prague was halted as the virus hit Europe. The Falcon and the Winter Soldier was announced among the Marvel slate to be halted entirely. The Eternals. The new release date for The Eternals is Feb 12, 2021. An ancient race of powerful aliens have hidden among humans for untold millennia. Now, when a great threat emerges and in the absence of the Avengers, the powerful Eternals must band together to save Earth from their genetic counterparts known as the Deviants. The sci-fi ensembled movie The Eternals, an adaptation of comic book legend Jack Kirby's thematic successor to his DC Comics creation, The New Gods, wrapped production in February. It was originally set to be released in theaters in November 2020, but was pushed to February after the pandemic. WandaVision. The new release date and the old release date was the same, December 2020. The trippy Marvel TV series WandaVision set to stream on Disney Plus and will star Elizabeth Olsen and Paul Bettany as they return to their roles of Wanda and the Vision. Although the specifics of the plot are unclear, it is rumored that much of the series will take place in Vision's mind, as Wanda enters his techno-organic mind space to bring him back after his death at the hands of Thanos in 2018's Avengers Infinity War.
Vision residents.
Morbius. Morbius' new release date is March 19, 2021. The original release date was July 10, 2020. When celebrated scientist Michael Morbius attempts a cure to rid himself of a rare blood disease, the formula slowly turns him into a superhuman with traits that resemble a vampire. The film also stars Adria Arjona, Matt Smith, Jared Harris, Al Madrigal, and Tyrese Gibson. Michael Keaton will appear in yet unknown capacity, reprising his role of Adrian Toomes or Vulture from 2017's Spider-Man: Homecoming.
And I'm running out of time.
Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. The new release date is March 25, 2022. The original date was announced for May 7, 2021 and was moved to November 5, 2021. It has now moved for a second time. Little is known about the plot for Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness, a sequel to the 2016 movie Doctor Strange. What is known is that the movie will explore the abundant alternate realities that exist parallel to the Marvel Cinematic Universe. The film will have a significant connection to Disney Plus series WandaVision that are still unclear. Loki. Loki new release date is around early 2021, and the original date was also early 2021. That means it's unchanged. With the possession of the Tesseract, Loki will hop through time and space like an outlaw, disrupting events in the way only Loki could. Tom Hiddleston returns to reprise his popular Marvel villain or anti-hero. The 6-episode series will also star Owen Wilson, Gugu Mbatha, and Sophia DiMartino as members of the Time Variance Authority, a group of time cops who Loki seems to be working for in recent set photos.
I'm gonna burn this place to the ground.
Venom, Let There Be Carnage. The new release date for this movie is June 25, 2021. The original date was of October 2, 2020. Picking up from the mid-credit scenes of 2018's Venom, ace reporter Eddie Brock, played by Tom Hardy, interviews the famed serial killer Galactus Cassidy, played by Woody Harrelson, who is in the comics contracts. The symbiote becomes the villain Carnage. The film will also introduce Shrike, Galactus' love interest, who also have similar powers. Little else is known about the movie and its actual connection to the MCU. The film is set to share continuity with Morbius, which in turn shares continuity with the MCU based on its inclusion of Spider-Man elements. Thor: Love and Thunder. Thor: Love and Thunder's new release date is Feb 11, 2022. The original date was November 5, 2021. Little is known about Thor: Love and Thunder and the fourth film in the Thor sub-franchise and the second to have Taika Waititi as director. The movie will involve Chris Hemsworth in what may be his final performance as the God of Thunder as he passes down the mighty hammer Mjolnir to the love of his life, Jane Foster. A returning Natalie Portman. Tessa Thompson will reprise her role of Valkyrie as she brings New Asgard to some level of economic prosperity.